Special greetings, my dear students. Today, in this class, onwards, you are going to see MS Word. See here, your second semester full MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Only these three applications you are going to learn. So, I am going in order. Okay, option. First, how we will open MS Word. There are three methods to open MS Word. First method, directly we will go to the start. Okay, here MS Office folder we will search MS Word. This is the first method. Second method, here down search option is there. Here we will type Word. So here we will open. This is the second method. Third method, window or run command. You have to press Win Word. Enter. When you will type WinWord, this will open. Okay, MS Word will open. Mostly, my dear students, you should know at least 50 shortcuts. 50 shortcuts. Why you have to learn 50 shortcuts? Because you can able to work with computer fast. Example. Now see, I am opening MS window. Okay, how much fast? Over. Just a second, less than a second. Okay. What I done? Just window or and one enter. Done. So when we are typing, okay, when we are using a shortcut, we will work very high speed. Okay, we will work in a high speed. Now I'm opening a help box. Okay. Okay. Now just any essay. Okay. Essay about computer. Means simple thing I'm typing. Uh, just I copy and paste. Okay, this page I open for just only copy and paste. Right click, copy. Okay, now I pasted here. Done. Now today we are going to see only the home tab. First of all, in MS Word, this is a title bar, a menu bar, a ribbon. Ribbon consists of groups. Okay, ribbon consists of groups. Now see here. First of all, we are having a format paint. Actually, what is a format paint? Format paint is used to copy the format. Example, if I copy this, computer will be copied, correct? But if I use a format paint, it will copy only the format. Example here, bold. Okay, and I'm giving the style, font style I'm changing. Okay, this is a font style. And font size I'm increasing. Shortcut for increase font size is what? Control Shift greater arrow. See here, font size also I increasing. And color, red color. Okay, bold, so italic, underline. Actually, this is a formats I made. Means example in a copy, if you are giving a side topic, okay, different style. Every time you have to give, correct? So every time following the same method, it causes a little bit problem, correct? So just select the word format paint. When I select format paint, okay, my mouse cursor is changed. Now I'm clicking device. See, same format applied. Okay, shortcut for format paint is Control Shift C. Now see, Control Shift C. I pressed. I selected this. Okay, this word. Control Shift V is for paste. Over. Okay, so this is a format paint. And now here, bold. Okay, italic, underline. Here, what is a strike? I am just increasing the font. So strike is used to cut the word. not delete, cut the word. Okay, now it is deleted. Now my dear students, you should know what is meant by subscript, superscript. H2O. Okay, H2O. Mostly in chemistry, this 2 will be downside, correct? This 2 will be downside. How we will type 2 in a downside, bottom? How we will type? So that is called subscripts. Just select here, subscript is there. Now 2 is in a bottom. If you want 2 upside, here is a superscript. Just click superscript over. Okay. If you want to cut, here is a cut. Okay. So these are the things. Okay. After inserting bullet, here is a bullet. If you want any style, you may use. Okay, as your wish. Okay, if you don't want bullet, you no need to use a bullet. Okay, and here is a points, numeric values. Okay, numeric points. Okay, I don't want this also. Now in this, very important thing is what? Line spacing. So here is a line space. Kindly see here, distance between line, distance between one line to another line. See the distance. See the distance between each lines. From this line and this line, how much distance is there? If I decrease, now space is decreased. If I select one, see, now this is the distance. Okay, this is a line spacing. And my dear students, page layout. Okay, before page layout, so now border means what is a margin? Margin means a edge of the paper and some particular distance is called border, is called what? Margin. Edge of the paper and the border is called what? Margin. Indent means a distance between margin and the text. Okay, indent means what? Distance between margin and the text. So here is a indent. Now just see, Control A, increase indent. So this is the indent. From here to here, it is the indent. Okay, decrease indent. This is decreasing a indent. Okay, so this all things you have to do it in a practical. Now here heading, you know, here is a inbuilt heading is here. You can select and you can give. Okay, every time if can is heading, every time bold, italic, underline, font style, font size, no need to change. Just here is a default heading is here. Whenever you are clicking, it will change. More headings available here. Default headings, many are available. Which heading you would like, we can give. If you want to create, we can create. Okay. Now here, after this, find and replace. Here is a find and replace. Just click the find. Now I want to find data. D-A-T-A, data. So it is finding the data. Okay. So only one data is there. If I want to find or A or E, okay, see here, A or E. So 3 places, first or second or third or. So if I want to replace, okay, if I want to replace, here is a replace, just one click. Now I want to replace or with is. Yes, is. Now replace all. Now say, do you want to continue searching from beginning to end? Yes. All done, we made 3 replacement. So in 3 places, it is replaced. Okay, done. So today home tab is over. My dear students, you have to do the practical maximum. Okay, because this MS Excel, Word, PowerPoint, how much you are doing practical, that much only you will get. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. Thanks for watching. Thank you.